Step into a realm where the soul of 19th-century Paris breathes through ultramodern glass. This $10 million penthouse isn't just a residence, it is a $4,000 square foot masterpiece of living art. From the 4-meter soaring ceilings to the rare Calacatta marble that anchors every room, we are exploring a space that redefines effortless chic. Prepare to see how light, history, and high fashion collide in the heart of the city. Is this the ultimate pinnacle of Parisian living? The journey begins at a threshold that commands respect. The facade is a love letter to Haussmann architecture, featuring hand-carved limestone and intricate moldings that whisper stories of the past. Yet, the entrance is punctuated by a massive, matte black double door, a bold, minimalist statement that signals the transition into modernity. High-contrast lighting casts sharp, dramatic shadows across the portico, creating a sense of mystery and grand scale. It is a masterclass in first impressions. But the true gravity of this home lies just behind these doors. As you step inside, the volume of the 4-meter ceilings takes your breath away. The living room is a symphony of white and charcoal, where floor-to-ceiling crystal windows frame the Paris skyline like a curated painting. A curved, snow-white mohair sofa sits in dialogue with a monolithic Calacatta marble fireplace. The architectural moldings act as a vintage frame for this ultramodern interior, creating an airy, gallery-like atmosphere that feels both historic and brand new. Wait until you see how we've reimagined the heart of the home. In the kitchen, functionality disappears behind high-fashion design. A singular, massive block of Calacatta marble forms the island, its deep gray veins flowing like liquid stone. The cabinetry is cleverly concealed behind matte black panels that mimic the wall's classic molding, ensuring the aesthetic remains uninterrupted. Brushed gold fixtures catch the afternoon sun, adding a touch of warmth to the sterile, professional-grade precision of the space. Luxury is in the details, but comfort is found in the sanctuary. The master bedroom is a masterclass in sophisticated silence. Here, the 4-meter ceilings are adorned with a contemporary minimalist chandelier that hangs like a piece of jewelry. The bed is framed by ornate white moldings, juxtaposed against sheer linen drapes that soften the high-contrast light. Every element, from the silk touch rugs to the marble nightstands, is designed to evoke a sense of effortless peace high above the bustling streets of the 8th Arrondissement. But even a sanctuary needs a view from above. Ascending to the mezzanine, the architectural drama intensifies. This glass and steel catwalk offers a bird's-eye view of the main living area, highlighting the sheer scale of the 4-meter height. It serves as a private library and observation deck, where the transition between the classic wall panels and the sharp, modern railings is most visible. It's a space designed for reflection, suspended between the history of the walls and the vacuum of modern space. Cleanliness takes on a new meaning in our next stop. The master en suite is an immersive experience in stone. Clad entirely in floor-to-ceiling Calacatta marble, the room feels carved from a single mountain. A freestanding matte black soaking tub sits strategically under a massive window, offering a private view of the city's zinc rooftops. The high-contrast veins of the marble are illuminated by soft, recessed lighting, transforming a daily ritual into a cinematic event. It is the definition of a high-fashion spa. Let's step outside to find where the city meets the sky. The entry terrace bridge provides a rare moment of outdoor transition. Classic stone balustrades are paired with sleek, black steel planters housing manicured greenery. The light here is crisp, highlighting the contrast between the weathered limestone and the polished new additions. This space serves as a lung for the penthouse, offering a sophisticated breath of fresh air before one even enters the main foyer. It's a curated garden in the sky. The real outdoor masterpiece, however, sits at the very top. The rooftop is the crown jewel of this $10 million property. Spanning the entire footprint of the penthouse, it features an outdoor lounge that rivals the world's finest hotels. Minimalist black furniture and marble surfaces reflect the interior DNA, while the Eiffel Tower stands as your personal backdrop. As the sun sets, the high-contrast shadows turn the terrace into a silhouette of modern Parisian life. It is the ultimate venue for high-fashion entertaining. Work has never looked quite this stylish. The home office, or working room, is where intellect meets aesthetics. A minimalist black oak desk sits centered under the 4-meter ceiling, surrounded by walls of floor-to-ceiling bookshelves integrated into the classic moldings. The natural light from the oversized windows creates a high-contrast environment that fuels focus and creativity. It's a space that proves a professional environment can be just as sophisticated as a gallery. Even the most private corners hold architectural secrets. Hidden away is the backyard balcony, a secluded retreat for morning espresso. The design maintains the strict palette of white stone and black metal, softened by lush, cascading vines. It's an intimate pocket of nature that feels disconnected from the urban chaos. The Haussmann walls provide a sense of security and history, while the modern furniture ensures the vibe remains firmly in the present day. The modern Parisian penthouse is more than a home, it is a bridge between eras. It proves that we don't have to choose between the soul of history and the edge of modernism. At $10 million, it is a rare investment in beauty, light, and high-fashion living. Thank you for joining us on this architectural journey through the clouds of Paris. Define your style, live your art.